Class 8 Grammar. First topic is determiners. Determiners are those words which come before noun and show how they are used. The use of noun is necessary after a determiner. Sometimes a qualifying word may also come along determiner and the noun words. A boy, a good boy. Qualities shown here. Characteristics of determiners. Determiner is always preceded before noun. It comes before noun. Determiner cannot be a meaning word without followed by noun. Types of determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, numbers, distributors, interrogative. There are many more, but we are going to focus on these 7 types. Articles. There are 2 types, indefinite and definite. Indefinite article is a and an. A is used before words which begin with consonant sound, no matter whether the first letter is a vowel or consonant. For example, a man, a pen, a dog, a university. An is used before words which begin with vowel sound, no matter whether the first letter is a vowel or a consonant. For example, an elephant, an apple, an egg, and hair. Definite article, the. It can be used before singular as well as plural nouns. For example, the pen he brought is black. The 15th August, the Rajasthan Patrika. The higher you go, the cooler you feel. Demonstrative determiner. They point out the person or thing. Example, this, that, these, those. For example, I want to buy these books. That house is very clean. Possessive determiners. They are those determiners that show someone's possession, or we can say that it shows the relation of things or action the other way. My, own, your, his, her, its, their. These words are used. For example, she told her father about it. Your brother is coming. Quantifiers. They are those determiners that give an indication of amount of quantity. Little, a few, both, enough, various, several, any much, many, etc. Some examples are: few cities retain their old world charm. Another example, he sold several books. So quantity is shown here. Numbers. They appear before noun. Number express quantity, 1 books, 20 books, etc. In the same position, other number expresses sequence, first impressions, second chance, third prize, etc. Distributors. or we can say distributes. They are those determiners that show distribution, each, either, very, neither, another, other, etc. Some examples are: every apartment has 3 bedrooms. Next, each question carries equal marks. Interrogative, which begins with WH. WH determiners what, which, whose are used to ask questions. For example, what style did you use in this handwriting? Whose textbook is this? I hope you understood determiners. Thank you.